Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your 8-ball pull connection. To know how to fix or to solve 8-ball pull connection, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to 8-ball pull. After that, in this window, you will click for stop. Then you will enter to storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by a like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.